Meditation is a powerful practice that helps reduce stress, improve focus, and promote emotional well-being. For beginners, it can seem intimidating, but the truth is, meditation is simple and accessible to everyone. Here's a quick guide to get started, along with some insights and opinions on why it's worth trying. Find a quiet space. Choose a calm, distraction-free area where you feel comfortable. Sit comfortably. Sit in a position that feels natural to you. You can sit cross-legged on the floor, on a cushion, or in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Keep your back straight but relaxed. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths. Pay attention to the sensation of air entering and leaving your nose or the rise and fall of your chest. Acknowledge wandering thoughts. It's normal for your mind to wander. When it does, gently bring your focus back to your breath without judgment. Start small. Begin with just 5 minutes a day. As you get more comfortable, you can gradually increase the duration. Use guided meditations. Apps offer beginner-friendly guided meditations that can help you stay on track. Meditation has been scientifically proven to offer numerous benefits. Studies show that regular meditation can lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone, improve focus, and even enhance creativity. For beginners, it's a great way to take a break from the constant noise of daily life and reconnect with yourself. In my opinion, one of the most underrated benefits of meditation is how it teaches you to be kinder to yourself. Many people struggle with self-criticism or overthinking, and meditation helps you develop a sense of self-compassion by observing your thoughts without judgment. I can't stop my thoughts. Meditation isn't about stopping your thoughts. It's about observing them and letting them pass without getting caught up in them. I don't have time. Even 2 minutes a day can make a difference. It's about consistency, not duration. I need to be spiritual to meditate. Meditation is for everyone, regardless of religious or spiritual beliefs. It's simply a tool to improve mental clarity and well-being. Meditation is a skill that takes time to develop, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Start small, be patient with yourself, and remember that there's no right way to meditate. The key is to show up consistently and enjoy the process of learning to be present. In today's fast-paced world, meditation is more relevant than ever. It's a simple yet profound way to find peace amidst the chaos and take care of your mental health. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised at how much it can transform your life.